All right, I'm recording with my phone again because I had to work late and I didn't have time to go get the camera at my house. Sorry. I hope you can hear me, but we got a lot of work to do. Time is of the essence. And fire? Okay. Motor's ready to go back in, but it's actually not ready to go back in.
We're good.
Matt's working because I'm tired. I'm dragging.
Pull the trans back a little.
Pull it back?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to install the rear coilovers right now. They're very high too. Oh man.
No.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's trying to put the extender. There you go. You got it through the hole. This side is in. Ended up putting the reservoir upside down so we can reach the compression adjustment easy from the back of the car and underneath it with the wheel on if we needed to. Also, it moves the line down here so the wheel will be like up here, and it gives all this much travel for it not to hit there. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Do the other side. No, do the trans.
Let's do the trans.
We're replacing the old Collins adapter with the new one. It is just a brand new one with a good seal, and that one's old, so this should be way better. Collins sent it to us, so why not? We'll put that on the spare trans.
Oh, fuck me. Ah!
Don't make a mess! Why are you making a mess?
It keeps going!
That's what she said.
Dude, no, it's not. Oh, God! Ah! You're making me laugh so hard. This is the worst. Dude, we're gonna have to redo this. Ah! Stop!
How did you manage to do that?
You guys are making me laugh so hard.
What are you doing?
Because you gave me this piece of crap. It's like literally older than I am. So you can't stop it or adjust speed at all. And when you let go, it doesn't stop either.
I taught the boys the art of fingering your trans. How you doing? Looks really good. Looks a lot better than your little laughing wrinkly.
Dude, that was terrible. You guys kept laughing because I was doing worse, and then it made me do worse, which means you guys laugh harder. And it ended up with just like it was all over.
Alright, it's ready to go on.
Alright.
Motor's in completely. And me and Hasm are pretty astounded by this because with the ISR mounts, that pan is basically touching the subframe right there. So this is as far back as this can go, right? The mounts are right there. And then you can see it. You can see that the mount is literally moved all the way as far back as possible. Right there. And even so, look at how much room there is behind the firewall. That's my whole hand. It's my whole hand. I don't know if you guys can judge that, but that is a lot of room. So our radiator lines are going to fit just fine. They're not going to touch anything. It's going to be amazing. This is already in. Matt is doing the transmission mount right now, which is that Collins billet one that can move forward and back, so you can adjust it to wherever you like it. That's going to make it easy to install. And then we already tested this side header, which is obviously the one that everyone's scared of because it's where the steering shaft is. And this is an eBay header, but it looks like it'll work. It's like an inch away from the steering shaft. This header will also work because there is so much room on this side. We could definitely put a turbo down there. Did you hear? He goes, ooh. Looking at the whole project from all the way back here, it's starting to look like a car. It's looking like we could finish this sometime soon now. I'm pretty excited about it.
Yellow.
All right, we're back. The car's looking like a car. With that one corner, it looks like a wheel could go there.
The wheel can go there.
Can it? Are you sure?
It can, yeah.
Ooh, these coilovers looking so pretty in here. Don't let Justin see it. We have 9 days left, and suspension's going on right now. Motor's already in, as you saw in the last video, and now I am going to work on the diff. He's working on the front suspension. Then we got to do the, well, I don't know if the drive shaft and the exhaust could probably go on today, and then the car could potentially go on the ground, and we can see what it looks like with a couple of body panels. Oh shit, it's looking like a car, minus this corner. The rest of it is looking like a car. Hooray! We could put a wheel there. And then Wang's in the way, but of course.
Whatever, man.
Whoa! What are you doing? You compressing it?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's lifted off the jack.
That's the current ride height then?
But that's no fuel cell, no
Radiator.
no radiator, no me, no like anything in it.
Dang, son. That gap. You're stock ride height. That's actually taller than stock ride height. What did Garrett do to you?
No, it'll be sick. Cause in drift it'll be like
Hasm is doing work over there. Cleaning up the mess we made yesterday. Trans fluid everywhere.
Alright, so these two geniuses.
yeah.
Ow. This dumb bar.
Marco wants to show you guys this is somewhat of a clean table with dual purpose. We can just swipe all this nonsense into the trash.
He's doing a good job.
Who's doing a good job?
Angel.
Angel! Matt's taking a day and a half to install it.
Oh, I forgot that it was under here. You weren't handing me anything.
It's next to your head.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't look backwards all the time. Woo! What are you doing down there, Marco? You just warned me. Woo! Woo! Like tickles my stomach. What? You're poking me in the stomach with the drive shaft.
Oh my God. What's wrong with you? Yeah, what is wrong with you?
You were like poking me right in the side of my gut with the drive shaft. Oh God.
Oh, fuck me, man.
How short is it?
We're okay.
What's that right there? Look.
About 3 inches, like I said.
I don't think that's 3 inches.
Okay.
If anything, Marco, I would know what 3 inches looked like.
I am also still recording.
God dang it! I like the color.
It's alright, it's growing on me.
It's growing on you? Well, it's better because it's on the car, so if it doesn't grow, it's staying.
Yeah.
We have a red side skirt that has to get wrapped, but Wang was not working.
Yeah, it's the blue cold jalapeno.
Get out of here.
What?
Hey, Angel says the new name for the car is the blue cold jalapeno.
The blue cold jalapeno?
And
Why?
and I fully support it.
All right.
Why is that a thing?
It's the thing with spin off from the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
All right. Angel has been working on this amazing table. Did you show him, Wang?
Yes.
How bad would it be if I was just like...
Matt would be something.
I would take apart your whole motor. I would just like start taking stuff
a lot
off.
of work. It would be fast.
I would take the cam out. I would take the cam out as fast as I put it in Taylor's video and just throw it out the garage. Just throw it. Let's do it.
What? Oh,
I'll do it, brother. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't be writing stuff on our board.
what?
So, number one,
Back of the shop. Andrew's here.
Hey! Hi!
Arthur's here. Air high five. Okay, we're gonna do it.
Got long arms.
No, you don't get a high five. Look at what Matt has done. Look at this, guys. Look, everybody. No, put that back down. Everybody needs to see.
I've been so mad. Like,
No, Arthur brought this amazing, beautiful plate, and you drilled the holes by eye, and your eyes are crooked apparently. Did you look with your?
after it was done?
Look at that. Look at that hole all the way over there. Okay, you can't tell in the camera, but it's just trust me.
it'll
it's bad.
it'll distract away from the completely dented rear end here.
No, the wing goes there, so we'll be fine.
Yeah. Okay.
It's okay if it catches on fire. Don't worry about it.
I'm just looking to see if we're not cutting the hole too big.
You want the top start?
It's the way that Oh yeah.
Actually, that should be you.
Oh yeah. Is that a
Right
picture?
here. Get in the face. I don't want to be in this.
I don't know.
This is amazing.
Put the wing on, bro.
Oh,
Bell Raceworks doing the raceworks on the Z.
We got a wing. We have to add the wing.
Dang. Can I blow air in there? It's cooling down. Oh,
Hold it there.
he said hold it. You're gonna hold it there forever, Wang. Andrew's leaving. See you at Formula Drift.
Yeah.
Yes, we will be there Friday and Saturday. We're gonna hang out. More videos to come.
Please don't be burned when I see that.
Yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Maybe.
Not you. It's me that I'm worried about.
Oh
You
yeah?
guys will be fine.
I thought you meant burn with the grinder.
I
Because it's a little sketchy.
think that it might have already happened.
Oh yeah. Oh, who likes the wing? Not you. The wing on.
Honestly, no, you can't.
That was like, get the fuck out of here.
It's the same color, so it goes there, and it goes with that thing that Arthur made.
I didn't make that wing.
No, the plate you made.
I don't need my.
The color of the risers go with the plate. Dude, that wing looks good right there. I know Hasm agrees.
Hold on.
Move, Matt, move.
It's gotta be able to open that.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah, it would have to be like that.
Open your hatch.
There's nothing important in the back. Besides
I like that.
The trunk mount is way better. Fabrication Matt made a mount for the AccuSump. Of course, he painted it black first, then white, because there was 2 cans up here and he just couldn't read. But it looks good. I approve. Hasm and Kyle are getting ready to wrap the side skirt. Where is it? There it is. It can't be red. It has to be blue.
Can't be right.
But no, it cannot. But
What you doing, Ethan?
not Ethan. Listen, but you only have that one strip because we're out of vinyl. So if you mess this up, we'll only have one blue side skirt, one red side skirt, and then people are gonna confuse us with Ethan, and this can't happen, okay?
wait, if you're gonna mess up the passenger side because most of the media will be on the driver's side. So I'll be okay without a passenger side one.